Hello, welcome to Home Cooking with Somjit. Today I'm going to cook deep fried fish with sour curry or deep fried fish with Kaeng Som curry. I have one red snapper, weight about 900 grams, 8 pieces of shallot, 9 pieces of dry red chili, soaked in the water. For the dry chili, I have removed the seed just to make sure that our Kaeng Som is not too spicy. And I have 2 stalks of lemongrass, 2 inches nub of galangal, half a cup of tamarind water. This one made from 1 tablespoon of tamarind paste mixed with half a cup of water, 2 tablespoons of fish sauce, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of lime juice, 1 tablespoon of shrimp paste, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 red chili, and 1 tablespoon of sugar. And for Kaeng Som or sour curry, I like to have it with a lot of vegetable. So today I'm using 4 types of vegetable, which is I use morning glory or kangkong, 4 anchor beans, long beans, as well as a bit of carrot. For marinating the fish, I'm going to use a bit of salt and also turmeric powder. We just need to rub the salt on the fish. Just make sure that our fish will have some salt. And then I'm just going to sprinkle with turmeric powder. Just like that, and then we can go and fry it. We will put in the fish only when the oil is very hot. Cover it. Let it cook for about 10 minutes. While waiting for the fish to cook, we're going to make the sour curry paste. This is lemongrass, galangal, shrimp paste, shallots, 1 teaspoon of salt, and all the chili. We're going to put in the tamarind water just to help in blending. So within a minute, that's what I got, the Kaeng Som curry paste. Very easy. If the fish is ready, it means that we can move them easily and fry like that, you see. It doesn't stuck at the bottom. And continue to fry for another 6 minutes from this side. So ready, our deep fried fish is done, so I'm going to place it aside. So in the same pan, I left some oil in there, and I'm going to pour in the curry paste that we just made. So we put all our curry paste in here, and we're going to fry until we have the nice fragrance of all the ingredients, the herbs that we put inside the paste. Alright, we cook the curry paste for about 2 minutes, so it's getting dry and it has released a bit of oil, just a bit more. And alright, we can add in some water. Just add in about 1 liter of water. And I'm going to put in the carrot, because carrot takes longer time to cook, right? So I'm going to boil the curry together with the carrot and just bring it to boil. Alright, the curry is boiling, and I'm going to put in the sugar, all the fish sauce, and I'm going to put in the vegetable, 4 anchor beans, and the long beans. For these 2 vegetables, they don't require to cook too long, so I just put them in, and I'm going to put in all the lime juice. Once the lime juice goes into the curry, the fragrance is so awesome. So I'm going to taste it now. It's enough sour, enough sweet, and enough salt. So basically I don't need to add in any other ingredients, and last I'm going to put in the morning glory. For this vegetable, they don't require to cook too long, so I'm going to just put them in and just wait for it to cook for about 30 seconds, and we can switch off the heat. Just sprinkle a little bit of red chili for some nice color. Alright, I can switch off the heat now, and we are done. The Kaeng Som is ready, so now we can pour it over the fish. Whoa, I love Kaeng Som. It's just nice. Look at that. So we would take the fish, eat with a bit of vegetable. Wow, it has all the taste in the curry, a bit of sour, a bit of sweet, a bit of salty, and it is not spicy. It's very delicious, anyone can eat. And plus when we deep fry the fish, and the flavor of the fish and also the vegetable, overall the combinations of everything, it is so perfect. I give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more of my cooking video like this. Thank you and bye bye.